Hi guys, in this tip I will quickly explain to you how to use a retro style effect Photoshop action which you can download from my blog Design Easy. So the first step is to load action in actions panel and then select type, shape or any pixel based layer in the layers panel. Click on a retro style effect action and click play selection button. You will see message with some instructions. Click continue and when a second message appear, click again continue and in layer style dialog you can set stroke size and color which will be used for stroke around your shape or type and for depth. If you don't get it right from the first time, don't worry, you will be able to change everything later. So click OK and wait couple of seconds. When Photoshop finish its job, you will see a retro depth layer group in the layers panel. You can expand this group and then to reduce depth size. So you start hiding layers from bottom to top. As you can see, now depth is reduced. If you don't get stroke right, it will be visible on the opposite side of depth. You can change stroke for any layer in the retro depth group. So reduce size or even change color. Click OK, copy a layer style and then select all layers in retro depth layer group or at least all visible layers and then paste layer style. And the last note that your original layer will be still available in a layers panel. It will be hidden, temporary, what you can change by clicking on the eyeball on the left side. So thanks for watching. Cheers. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. And if you need download link, please look in description section on YouTube where you will see a link to my blog Design Easy from where you can download free retro style Photoshop action.